Every single day, the United States prints millions of brand new dollars inside some of the most secure, highly controlled, and technologically advanced factories in the world. And even though a US dollar bill feels simple, just a thin piece of paper with green ink and a familiar face, its creation involves dozens of steps, massive machines the size of houses, security systems rivaling military facilities, and microscopic details engineered to stop counterfeiters at every turn. And today on The How Factory, we're going deep inside America's money-making machines to uncover exactly how US dollars are printed, inspected, secured, and shipped into circulation. The journey begins long before ink ever touches paper. Inside a highly guarded manufacturing process responsible for creating one of the strongest, most durable forms of currency in the world. The special paper used for US bills. Unlike normal paper made from wood pulp, US currency paper is made from a unique blend of 75% cotton and 25% linen, giving it its signature feel, snap, texture, and strength. This specially engineered material resists tearing, survives moisture, folds thousands of times without breaking, and cannot be replicated with normal printing supplies. The paper is manufactured at a secure facility owned by Crane Currency, where bales of cotton fibers are shredded, cleaned, bleached, and mixed with linen fibers before being transformed into pulp. As the fibers flow across massive wire screens, the paper forms in thin layers, and this is where the security features begin. Colored security threads, plastic strips embedded with microprinting, are woven directly into the paper during formation. These threads glow under UV light, carry tiny printed letters, and make counterfeiting almost impossible. Watermarks of presidents' faces are created by altering the density of the paper fibers during manufacturing, forming images that only appear when held to light. Once the sheets are dried, pressed, and cut, they are shipped, under armed security, to the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, known as the BEP, where the real magic happens. Inside the BEP's facilities in Washington, D.C. and Fort Worth, Texas, strict security begins at the entrance. Workers pass through checkpoints, ID scanners, metal detectors, and surveillance zones. No outside bags, devices, or tools are allowed. Every sheet of unfinished currency is tracked from the moment it arrives to the moment it leaves. The money printing process begins with massive offset printing presses, enormous machines that apply background colors to stacks of pristine currency paper. These presses can print tens of thousands of sheets per hour, each sheet containing 32 or 50 individual bills depending on the denomination. Unlike older greenback bills that were mostly monochrome, modern US currency includes sophisticated multicolor backgrounds, gradients, and subtle security patterns. These background layers are critical. They make counterfeiting harder and help protect the portraits from tampering. After background printing, sheets are left to dry in controlled humidity rooms to prevent warping or ink smearing. Next comes the most iconic part of the dollar, the engraved images. US currency engravings are masterpieces of micro art, created by professional engravers who carve tiny details into metal printing plates using magnification tools, precision drills, and even hand engraving techniques passed down for generations. These plates contain every line of Washington's face, every shading detail on Benjamin Franklin, every eagle feather, scroll, border, and symbol. The depth of these engraved lines is what gives the dollar its tactile feel. These plates are then mounted onto Intaglio printing presses, the most important and most distinctive machines in currency production. Intaglio printing uses extreme pressure, up to 20 tons, to push thick ink into the engraved lines of the plate before pressing it onto paper. The result? Raised ink you can feel with your fingertips. This process creates the dark green and deep black areas of the bill, including the portrait, the numbers, the Federal Reserve seal, and intricate line art. Each sheet passes through the Intaglio press multiple times, for example, once for the front and again for the back. After each pass, the sheets must dry for up to 72 hours because Intaglio ink is incredibly thick and must harden properly. But the security layers don't stop there. Bills then go through letterpress and numbering presses that apply unique serial numbers, Treasury seals, and Federal Reserve indicators. Serial numbers are printed with special magnetic ink, allowing cash sorting machines in banks and Federal Reserve facilities to track and authenticate bills instantly. Every serial number corresponds to a batch, a denomination, a facility, and a production cycle. If even a single sheet goes missing, the entire batch is flagged. Quality control begins long before the bills reach the end of the line. Advanced cameras inspect each sheet at high speed, checking for color consistency, ink density, alignment, positioning, security threads, and even microscopic imperfections. If a single bill shows misalignment beyond tolerance, sometimes as small as 0.2 millimeters, the whole sheet is removed from circulation and shredded on site. Workers called currency examiners conduct manual checks as well, flipping through bundles and rejecting anything with wrinkles, smudges, or printing flaws. Once sheets pass inspection, they head to the cutting stage. Giant guillotine-style cutters slice each sheet into individual notes with laser-guided accuracy. Machines stack the bills in perfect bundles of 100, which are then grouped into bricks of 1,000 bills each. These bricks are wrapped, sealed, labeled, and stored in high-security vaults protected by reinforced steel, motion sensors, 24/7 surveillance, and armed guards. From here, pallets of fresh currency are shipped to Federal Reserve banks across the country using armored vehicles under military-grade security protocols. Every pallet contains millions of dollars and is scanned, signed for, and tracked digitally. Once the money reaches the Federal Reserve, it is distributed to commercial banks, ATMs, businesses, and circulation networks. But printing new bills is only part of the story. The BEP also works with the Federal Reserve to manage the life cycle of money. Old or damaged bills return to Fed facilities, where high-speed sorting machines evaluate them. Bills with tears, wear, writing, or fading are shredded and removed from circulation. The shredded currency is destroyed and often recycled into packaging or sold in souvenir bags. Every year, billions of old bills are destroyed, and billions of new ones take their place, forming a continuous cycle of printing, circulation, returning, shredding, and replacing. Beyond the day-to-day printing process, the design of U.S. currency is a never-ending battle against counterfeiters. New bills include microprinting so small it can barely be seen without magnification, color-shifting inks that change hue at different angles, 3D security ribbons woven through the paper, UV reactive features, raised textures, hidden symbols, microline portraits, magnetic inks, and holographic foils in higher denominations. Engineers and artists collaborate with the Secret Service, the agency responsible for combating counterfeiting, to update designs as new technologies emerge. Some features are public, others are classified. Even the ink itself is a guarded secret. Certain pigments contain magnetic particles, special dyes, and chemical signatures detectable by machines but invisible to the naked eye. Every security feature must balance durability, printability, and user recognition. Inside the BEP, the environment is controlled down to microscopic details. Humidity, temperature, dust particles, and static electricity must be monitored constantly. A small speck of dust can ruin a sheet worth thousands of dollars. Workers follow strict protocols, machines undergo meticulous calibration, and every batch is logged and audited. Even printing plates and leftover paper scraps are tracked and accounted for. The entire process operates like a miniature ecosystem of technology, security, chemistry, engineering, and art, all dedicated to producing the physical foundation of the U.S. economy. From cotton fields to sealed currency vaults, from Intaglio engravings carved by hand to machines that print thousands of bills per minute, from counterfeiting defenses to Federal Reserve distribution, the making of U.S. money is a massive, precisely orchestrated system that runs around the clock to keep the economy moving. And that is how U.S. dollars are printed inside high-security money factories. An incredible blend of science, engineering, craft, and airtight security, powering the currency millions of people use every day. Thanks for watching The How Factory, where we reveal how the world really works. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dive episodes into the hidden systems powering modern life.